Welcome back to my Sweet Memories Factory. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe. Most importantly, leave me your comments. I love that interaction. I hope you enjoy. Have fun! Welcome to my Sweet Memories Factory. This is Claudia. So today we have something in common. We want to create a successful event. The first thought on my mind for that and to inspire me on that day is that special person, or depending on the occasion, all my guests, my own very important people, VIP. So let's spread love and joy in every detail with a beautiful, cost-effective idea into your home. Let's go! So for this project, we're going to need any china set of 6 or more, candles, mini and large sizes, placemats, place chargers, small white pumpkins, cloth napkins, cinnamon sticks, rubber bands, and a bunch of sunflowers. I want to use the table I have without covering because sometimes we want to do that. I like the contrast, and this was something I had around the house that I decided to place on the middle of my table before I start the setting. I love the color of the chargers because it's gold and my placemat is beige. So then it comes the china, and that could be any color, really. This is very neutral and it will go with beautiful any china. As you can see, I'm using my coffee mugs as my vases, right? So this was a $4 bunch each. I have 2 bunches of sunflowers there that I'm cutting it short and place them. So now I'm gonna go around and just find a spot for each of my little flower ornaments, and I decided to create a little bit more of a visual to it, and I'm adding the saucers for my candles and for my vases now. So I just went around and placed them where I thought they belong. Very, very, very simple. As you can see, everything in here was in my own house. I only purchased the flowers. And now that I take a second look at it, I'm going to go with my dollar store white pumpkins just to create that Thanksgiving look. Just place them in between plates. Some small candles around the table as well. I put one next to each set of the white pumpkins. And this is a clear vase. I also had those, I believe, from last year that I saved, pine nuts with the cotton flower. I'm going to show you how I created my pumpkin napkins. I use a cinnamon stick and I am for the middle of my napkin. And then I'm going to use a rubber band. I'm going to go around only 2 times because I want it to be soft and loose. Now I'm going to pull in the ends of my napkins, as you can see, one at a time. That's why my rubber band is loose, so it's easy for me to access what I need. Once it's ready, I'll adjust to try to create the look of a pumpkin to the best that I can. As you can see, those really come out very special for a holiday like Thanksgiving, and I promise you it'll be a highlight on your table. So now I decided to alternate colors, and I'm gonna use white and orange for my napkins. My silverware, very one that I use every single day. Remember, this is a small gathering and it's just my family, direct family. Still, it's Thanksgiving and I want to make special. All done, guys. Very nice and simple. All I purchased for this beautiful table with the flowers and the dollar store pumpkins. Now the food I'm gonna serve in the kitchen. I want to keep the nice and beautiful atmosphere at my table. I hope you enjoy and have Thanksgiving.